Okay, hello everyone. This is the update video I've been promising for like 2 years. I think the last one was in 2010, which is from my other account. But a couple of things have passed. I had a couple of surgeries. I actually gained some weight, and I lost it. And then about a month ago, I started lifting weights again, and this is kind of how I am right now. And as you can see, I still have the kind of problem in the hips, but I've worked on them, so I think they've gone down a little bit. But yeah, the purpose of this new channel is to just keep you guys updated and make a sort of a vlog. And I will post I don't know if you guys want daily videos, just so I can keep you posted and just know so you can know what's up with me, and maybe like make a little community and we can help each other. I'll be showing you some food profiles like brown rice versus white rice and things like that. And I'll upload like a monthly video of how my body is doing with the weightlifting. Right now I'm 100% committed. And yeah, so please subscribe. Probably I'll post some pictures of the before and after. Of the after, of how I was at the end of the 2010 video and how I am right now. So yeah, just please subscribe, and so we can like make this sort of a weekly, monthly thing. Alright, so this is kind of how I look right now. I've done some progress, I've gained a little strength. I've been lifting weights for about a month now, after that long hiatus, which because I haven't been lifting weights for over a year because I had some surgery, and now I'm back on the horse. Okay, so please subscribe and tell your friends. Peace.